Cool Kicks YouTube channel. We are back, you guys. Nike Outlet Watts. They're doing the sneakers pass right here. I didn't win, but yeah, maybe they'll have grade school. Sneaker pass winners right there. I was busy doing some work, so I wasn't paying attention on my phone yesterday. God dang it. All right, let's go see what's up. 30% back wall. This is what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for this to go to the back wall. I do have a friends and family. I might be able to use it right here. I don't know. I can get a guaranteed 30% off, or I could gamble and try to get 60% off. What would you guys do? Resellers already grabbing stuff. I'm gonna peek, because why not? But dang, $100 for those? Dang. Oh, they're all smaller size, that's why. Yeah, the refurbished, that's where I'm telling you, look at this. $93. $93, and then another 30% off on top of that. So holy cow. Holy cow. I wear 10.5. I might have to think about this for 60 something bucks. PSG's right here. Look at this. $100 and you get 30% off. Holy cow. Oh, that one is, oh, see, gently worn. This needs to be slightly imperfect. What are y'all doing? What are y'all doing? Did someone pick out the wrong sticker or something? That one is like, dang. Damn, is that water damage? Like, what is that? Just rub that off? Seems to be going away. I don't know. Oh, look at that. All right, I'll put that one back. Look, I'm like rubbing it, and it's like going away just by rubbing it. Is that showing up on camera? Because it's like gone. That little mark is gone. $70 for these? $70 for these? I am a fan of Jordan 6s. $70 freaking dollars. And then of course we got more and more J's. That's why there's a line of people here early in the morning. Jordan Retro 7s. Got some Jordan 7s right here. Going for $2 for 9.5. Been seeing these here. $125 for these. These are size 9, 9.5 right here. $2 for the Jordan 2s. Within a matter of a few minutes, he's compiled his stack right there. That's what I'm saying. You gotta be quick. Gotta be quick. Our Comfort size 10.5, $150. Got another Comfort right here. Another one. And box top. Look, box top right there. Look at this Jordan 1 low OG 140 for these. It's all about the reefers. I've been telling y'all that, dude. Jordan 36 lows right here. $100. This is like new $100. That's what, $70, right? Jordan 1 mids, $135, size 11. Infinity Tour Next Percents, gently worn, $95 for these. Max 90, size 12, $130. Size 11, $110 for these Air Max 97s. Max 97 right here, Hyper Pink. Yeah, 93 for these, size 12. These are slightly imperfect though. Scorpions, $2 for these bad boys. $120 for these Nike Attacks right here. 12.5, got 38s right here already. $170 for the FIBA color of the 38s. Like a cool gray with a little bit of black. Pegasus 40 right here, going for $65, size 13. Alpha Flight Next Percents, size 13, $160. Got these size 13 Air Force One Premium, but retail though. Metcon, or the free Metcon 5s going for $65 right here, size 13. Cosmic Unity 3s right here, $96. That is like new. That was a size 13. Size 13 again, $130, and that one has a genuine stain on a suede. Oh, good luck with that. Size 15 right here. Got some Comfort 2s, $140. Size 14s right here, Luca 2s. Retail, you should get the 30 off. Yeah, whatever, $90 for those. Some old school Pegasus right here. Yeah, 30. Pegasus 83s going for $55. That's the size 15. I got some GT Jump size 11. I'm just looking around now. $90, gently worn. I was able to find one of these at the clearance store for ridiculously cheap. I didn't pull the trigger though. Size 10 Air Force One. some sort of utilities. Got a boot in the mail. That's weird. Yeah, 130. Reseller just put this back. He wasn't a fan. 55. That is slightly imperfect though. Damn, we just put that 30 out. That's almost free. Then got a regular pair, regular price though. 97. Some gold ones. 10.5. $1.80. I'm checking the smaller sizes. Do got some 6s right here. These are golf. Size 9.5, $2.20 for those. Delta 3 lows down to $45, almost free. ISPAs. I know some of you guys are a huge fan of ISPAs. Is this the one that the Cactus Plant Flea Market did a collab with? I think it is. I don't know. But yeah, these $1.13. Got some jaws right here, retail. Maximum premiums down to $1.10. $1.90 for these. Cosmic Unity, $80. Oh crap, $80 for these, especially with that 30 off. Wow. All right, I thought about it. $70. That is a steal. But I don't know. Do I wear 6 lows? I don't have any of the lows. I don't know. I don't know how much of a fan of the lows I am. I love the color blocking and the colorway. But yeah, am I gonna wear lows? I don't know, especially with the 6s. And on top of that, I was able to double up on the Grinches. Like, I've spent a good amount. Got the Gratitudes. That's over $600 this month on sneakers. Shoot, I might have to put these back. Not $600 just on stuff for me. I bought stuff for other people, including presents for my work and stuff. I think I'm gonna have to put these back. Dang it. So I did ask the worker, can I use the friends and family on this? 30% off. The question is, do I gamble or do I just get the guaranteed 30%? That's a question. That's a question. I like to gamble though. It is fun gambling. I don't know. People have been asking about, like, hey, why the information isn't anywhere. I don't think Nike wants information everywhere. It is a friends and family thing. So if they went back to their roots and actually made it where, hey, you really have to know, like, or you really have to be friends with one of the Nike staff members. So yeah, there's really not much info anywhere. I did get an email. I got a couple of them actually. So yeah, I'm thinking about it. Damn, that one and the chambres. Dang, dude. 30% off too? I'm gonna all right, still thinking. All right, let's move on to some of the apparel. Ooh, the 40% off is over. The 40% off. Oh, that's interesting. There ain't no additional discount. This might be quick. Like $30 for these. Got a little super fluffy sweatshirt going for $60, normally $90. Chargers, long sleeve pullover going for $70. Nike flight t-shirt, $45, original price. And that is hella big. Holy cow. That's just a large. This fleece shorts. Oh damn. I was like, hey, these look comfy, and then they're like super thin. But yeah, these are $20. Okay. They're smalls though. They got mediums too though. Okay. So they got some deals. Got some, what are these shorts? Like khaki shorts. These go for $73. Good lord. Definitely not cheap. Holy cow. Because I have like cargo pants stuff like that, and I've gotten them for hella cheap at the clearance store. Yeah, $80 for these. Holy cow. Jumpman sweats right here down to $30. Got all mediums though, because that's not that bad. All right, we're going back to the aisles. I'm still thinking about that. Go back to the J's on the wall. Do got the infrared whites or the white infrareds. Cambray 7s right here. Jordan 1 High OG white cements. Jordan 1 lows. Those just got here. This, you get that extra 30 off, because look at that, 97. 30% off these mother lovers too. AJKO's been here for a minute. Almost a whole entire row of the retros. God dang, dude. And the 2s, we know these are going to continue to fold. Golf, these have been here for a cool minute, so I would assume these would go down soon. Some Pro Strongs. The 6 rings. Concord? No, not really. It's also like a new buck. Yeah, another 6 rings right here. Oh, and this is more of a Neapolitan, right? Yeah, it's like a Neapolitan before the Neapolitans came out. 2 trays right there. Got the B Loyals. Zoom 92s going the wrong way. XR2s. OG Max RS. I never know any of these Team J's. These are down to 81. You get another 30 off. Lift off. Another one of those. For 200s. Fadeaways. Zoom 92s. Holy cow. Remember, these got a little bit of hype when Travis Scott did that collab for these. Now they're selling for $60. Holy cow. I bet they're comfy because they got Zoom Air. Jumpman 2021s. Yo, these are just hella cheap, especially with that 30 off. Take 2s. Those, by the way, they only have 8.5 to 10.5. That's it. Take 1s. Take 4s. Zoom Generation. LeBron 20s. Next Gens. Witness 7s. Got a trio of these. All black. Katie Trey 59s. Got a quartet of these. Got a bread colorway, black and white. Immortality 2s. Another one of those. Ja 1s. Cosmic Unity Banks. Infinity Flynet 3s. Pegasus Trail 3s. But yeah, right here. These are down to $70. But you can be patient right now. You know, we are buying for the holidays. So like if you have to get a present, it is what it is. But if you're buying for yourself, be patient because everything's falling. All these prices are going to fall. Another Pegasus Trail 3. Pegasus right here for hella cheap. 42 for those. 50 right there. Another Pegasus 38. Pegasus Turbo Next Natures. 38 Shield right here. Almost forgot this area right here. Blazer Lows. Acronyms right there. They got a couple of the Sakai's right here. Air spans. Got a few of those. 50, 50, 60 right here. Still got these Billie Eilish things right here. They do have a 10.5. Maybe if they keep falling, I don't know. And then Forces. We've seen a bunch of these Forces here. Checking the women's section now. Got some Neapolitan Jordan 11 in the back right here. That's a 7.5. Things right here. I saw these go for hella cheap at some of the other outlets. $160. Blazers going for 70 right here. Size 8.5. Hirachis 155. 8.5. $180 for these, which is pretty steep. Comforts right here. $80. Holy crap. $80. Remember, you do get an extra 30 off as well. Do got the satin breads right here. 9.5. Another one right here. Dang, I don't see any my size. This is a size 9 men's, 10.5 women's. Did I miss my opportunity? Size 11 right here. That's a 9.5. $250 right there. And these right here. Almost forgot the women's right here. Look at this. Look at this. Obviously, you don't get that discount, but the fact that they got the Alma Maniers and stuff. When I got these, I paid what, $225, and then I have to pay like another $25 for shipping and stuff. You don't have to pay for that. That's pretty freaking fire. That's what's up, man. I don't think I showed what I was wearing. But yeah, PSG 6s. I am wearing the 6s y'all saw when I checked out those other PSG 6 lows. Got these for what, I want to say $95 at the clearance store. 95 bucks at the clearance store way back when, right before they closed too. So freaking random. They brought them out. I was like, oh hell yeah. And then shorts, hoodie. And then this is the infrared 6 hoodie. Came out when the infrared 6s came out. And these are hella dope. Got it for like 30 bucks at the clearance store. I think the retail is like over 100 bucks. Yeah, that's my budget outfit right there, man. God dang, dude. Who the hell smudged it like that? That's just, damn, someone had their face all up on it, man.